What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the best ways that you can dropship or sell stuff on your Instagram theme pages or meme page. So what I mean when I say dropship or sell stuff is basically if you have a medium to larger size theme page or meme page, you can either not really dropship, but you can sell like merch or like custom print on demand t-shirts or something for your page. And there's a couple successful ways that I know and I've tried for myself that work out really well and give people a different kind of approach than dropshipping, and it's going to encourage people to buy stuff a lot more than if you're selling ads or people are buying ads on your page to dropship. Before we get started with this video, my Discord server has actually been pretty active lately and there's a lot of people joining. I think we have around 50 members as of today, and it's going to be first link in the description, and also win up to $30 a month from Amazon gift card giveaways that I do. It will be first link in the description. You guys should go check it out, and it doesn't hurt to join because it's free. So let's go ahead and get right back to the video. So starting off this video, I think I said it a second ago, but it's not really going to be drop shipping. For example, with drop shipping, you'd probably either pay other pages or you could use your own page if you had a bigger size page. You just make a Shopify drop shipping store to sell products that you import from China, from AliExpress or Alibaba or something like that. But what I'm going to talk about is not really drop shipping, where you're still going to make it probably a Shopify store, but you're not going to promote it the same way you would drop shipping, and it's not going to be the same kind of products. So for example, it's going to be more of a kind of merch thing that I'm talking about. It's going to be a product that kind of signifies your brand and that kind of also turns your theme page or your meme page into its own brand. For example, you just have a meme page and you post random memes and stuff on there, but you can go ahead and make a Shopify dropshipping store and sell print on demand shirts from Printful or Teespring and just make designs that you make or people make themselves and put it on there. And for example, you can make something like with the logo of your meme page as long as it's not copyrighted, and you can just do stuff that signifies your brand of your meme page or theme page and kind of sell t-shirts or other clothing apparel items on that store. And when people see it, they'll see it more as a brand. For example, like Nelpoise has Full Send, Logan Paul has Maverick merch, and other bigger YouTubers and brands have their own brand that kind of revolves around their channel, and it's more of a clothing brand, but when people see it, it'll remind them of the YouTuber. So it's kind of merch, but it's also a brand, and people like brands because they think they're getting into something good. And if your designs look decent to pretty good, then you'll definitely get sales, because I know I did, and I didn't even know how to advertise it. And I had a page with I think 6,000 followers in the survival niche, and I sold cool survival bracelets that kind of looked like the logo to my brand a little bit. They're like anchors, paracord things. I'll put a picture of them on the screen. And they sold pretty good. The thing I did that's a secret is I advertised them for free, but I just made the people pay shipping, and the shipping cost was almost double the price that I was getting them for from China, minus shipping costs in total. And so basically I was making like $4 a profit as charging $3 shipping. And $3 shipping seems kind of like a general shipping cost that most people would charge on their brands, and it's not that large, and people wouldn't really think of it as something huge. And it was a major selling point when people saw free on the page. But for example, let's say you have a meme page with 1,200 followers and you kind of want to start a clothing line and promote shirts on your page. So what you would do is kind of look at the logo to your meme page, and as long as it's not copyrighted, you could just basically take the picture and put it on there as a little badge or box logo for your shirts, but it wouldn't really sell that well, rather if you had a cool design. So with Printful, you can pay like an extra $2 or $3 and get a full print all over shirt. You can make like a cool splatter design or something that resembles memes, or you can straight up just slap meme pictures on a shirt, and that would probably sell really well. But going back to the topic, if you have 1,200 followers on your meme page and you want to start designing shirts, my best bet would be to go ahead and promote on your story every day and say the drop's coming in 1 week and there's a limited amount of 20 shirts. Make sure you get them while you can, and they'll be reselling for a lot, or just kind of put some kind of BS in there like that. But make sure you say there's something limited. You're only going to be selling a certain amount of shirts, which you can do that. You can change your stock on Shopify so people know when they're sold out, and if people see that something's limited, they kind of like that idea of not being a lot of stock of something. So I almost guarantee you at least sell half of them if you get 20 or 30 story views per post. You could also say you're going to be giving one away and actually give one away or something. It might cost like $10 out of your pocket, but if people see you're engaging with the audience more and giving stuff away, they might want to buy it. I really don't know how that works. I've never given away anything like that before on my pages, but I would recommend saying there's a limited stock because that would work. And another way, if you guys don't want to just get sales from your page, you can still promote other theme pages like you would classically drop shipping, but instead of promoting them to the website, you just promote them to your page or your post where you're advertising the store. So instead of people just going straight to a store and seeing it as some 14-year-old sitting in their mom's basement selling merch online, they'll see it as a meme page and a brand, because instead of being directed to the store, they'll be directed to your post where you're advertising the store. And not as many people might go to the store, but your conversion rate will be way up than if they were just going to the store, and it'll probably cancel out eventually if you just direct people to your meme page instead of to the store. So I would definitely recommend trying trying that out. You can also just use classic Instagram promotion, if you have a creator or a business account, underneath any of your posts you'll see a little blue badge that says promote on it. You'll see a little blue badge that says promote on it, and you can promote any of your posts to classic Facebook people. And I don't know how it's going to work in the future with Facebook's having to sell Instagram. I don't know what the details on that are yet, but as of right now you can still promote posts on Instagram through Facebook, so you guys can try that out and see if it works. And if you guys want to try it out, it really never hurts just to try. I know Shopify is like $30 a month, but you can get a 14-day free trial without having to pay any fees at all. You can make the store, you can get your domain, and you can even refund the domain after if it doesn't work. The domain's like $12 on Google Domains, and you can go ahead and make the store, use the free trial, and go ahead and advertise it on your Instagram page absolutely free. The only thing it'll take up is time, which time is money, but if you guys just want to experiment with it, I've done it a couple times and got no sales, but it's always learning experience, so go ahead and give it a shot if you guys want to try selling merch. Also DM me on Instagram or talk to me in my Discord server if you guys want any more tips on this kind of strategies and how to sell stuff on your Instagram page. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. That's been this video. I'm going to be having better videos in the future, so make sure you guys stay tuned on this channel. Let's get monetized before the end of 2021. And I'm out. Peace out.